If your Dyson V11 cordless vacuum isn't performing like it used to, it probably just needs a good clean. In this video, I'll show you how to pull apart the vacuum and clean each of the main components. Start by emptying the dust bin. Hold it over a bin and push the red lever forward to release the cap at the end. If needed, you can remove the clear bin entirely by pressing the red release button and sliding it off. This makes it easier to remove any trapped dirt or hair from inside. You can clean the inside of the bin with a wet rag, but just be aware. I've found that a bit of dust inside actually acts as a lubricant, helping the bin slide on and off more easily. After cleaning, it may feel a bit stiff and stick for a few days until some dust builds up again. Next, remove the filter located at the back of the motor by twisting it anti-clockwise. There are a few ways to clean it. For a light clean, simply tap it to dislodge dust. For a heavy clean, you can also rinse it under cold water only. Don't use detergent. And make sure to clean both the inside and outside, then let it dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. Personally, I use an air compressor to blow out the dust under high pressure. Now it's time to clean the head. You don't have to disassemble it, but doing so makes the job much easier. Use a butter knife or a wide flathead screwdriver to turn and unlock the end cap on the side, then slide the brush bar out. With the brush removed, you can easily cut away and remove any hair wrapped around the roller. Once that's done, wipe it down with a damp cloth, paying extra attention to the bristles as they collect dirt from constant contact with the floor. There's no easy way to clean deep inside the head itself. You can try using a cloth to remove some built-up grime, but access is limited. Finally, inspect the shaft for any blockages. Then reassemble the vacuum. And you're done.